Mm, there's a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid for what you want. There's an answer. If you reach into your soul and the sorrow that you know I'm about to end. And when an hero comes along, and when it's strength to carry on, when your passion feels aside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. It's a long road, and when you face the world alone, no one reaches out a hand for you to hold. You can find love if you search within yourself, and the emptiness you felt will disappear. And then a hero comes along, and with the strength to carry on, when you pass your fears aside, and you know you can survive. And when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth that a hero lies in you. Oh, Lord knows, and dreams are hard to follow, but don't let anyone take them away. But hold on, and that will be tomorrow. And in time, you find your way. And then a hero comes along. Thank you, YouTube. Again, the name is The Beauty Model. Please subscribe. Tell me if you like. Don't feel shy and give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Even if you think I did bad, still give me a comment. Thank you. Have a blessed day.